Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix sound issues on Windows 7. So let's get started. If your Windows 7 computer has no sound or the audio is not working properly, there are a couple of simple methods you can try. The first method is to update or reinstall the audio driver. Click on the Start menu and open the Control panel. Change the view setting to large icons, then open Device Manager. Find the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand it. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver Software. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software and wait while Windows checks for available updates. If an update is found, install it and follow the on-screen instructions. If Windows cannot find the new driver or the issue remains, right-click the audio device again and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal of the driver and then restart your computer. After the restart, Windows will automatically detect the audio hardware and reinstall the required driver, which may resolve the sound problem. If the first method does not work, try restarting the Windows audio services. Open the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services window. Scroll down and locate Windows Audio. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Dependencies tab and check the services that Windows Audio depends on. Make sure the required services are running, including Multimedia Class Scheduler, Remote Procedure Call, or RPC, and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. If any of these services are stopped, right-click them and select Start. Once all the required services are running, return to Windows Audio and open its properties. Under the General tab, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Then select Apply and click OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, check whether your sound is working properly again. In many cases, updating the audio driver, reinstalling it, or restarting the audio services can quickly fix sound issues in Windows 7. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.